Will the honorable member please rise?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
Ottawa, you know what I mean, but I cannot vote for Pierre Poutine. What you tell me isn't true. Robocall, I must now hang up on you. Robocall, discipline me with your party whip. Voice as cold as a computer chip. I wanna take a seat in your caucus, under the desk of the center block office, registered to vote and I cannot wait. On my calendar I've circled the date. I want you as my parliamentary member. Where do I vote? I can't remember. What you tell me isn't true. I must now hang up on you. Robocall.
This is an automated message from Election Canada. Due to the projected increase in voter turnout, your polling location has been changed.
So the telephones ring across the nation, giving directions to the wrong polling station. The source of the call is anonymous, a robot voice that you should not trust. A pipeline of power, you just grab it out of the boardroom and into the cabinet. Getting lost at the ballot box, a government based on electoral fraud. What you tell me isn't true. Robocall, I must now hang up on you. Robocall, I got stood up on election day. I had a date but at a different place. You're so good at suppressing my vote. Me and my franchise are so alone. Dial the number, you're here to stay. The PMO is just a call away. A fair elections act makes me a target. Will you accept the charges?